Would you like to make $128.24 per day on complete autopilot? Hey, this is Art from artofmarketingblack.com, a place where I help you make money online. And in today's video, I'm going to review a new product that is coming out. It's called Income Automator, and it talks about exactly this, a new formula that will allow you to make over $100 online on autopilot, which means that, once you set it up, all you have to do is just keep on coming back and see how much money you're made. I really like this method. The guy behind it, Daz, is actually my coaching student, and he still has a full-time job. He's on his way to quitting his full-time job and making money online full-time, and that's why, because he has very limited time, he had to come up with an automated method that he can just set up, and it keeps making money on complete autopilot. So I want to talk to you a little bit about the method. I'm going to show you the sales page, the inside of the course. We're going to go through all of the upsells, and I have 6 exclusive bonuses you're going to get only from me if you'll decide to pick this up through my link, okay? Before we're going to start, this course goes live on the 7th of November at 9 a.m. Eastern, and they will have an early bird, but we'll talk about the pricing a little bit later, okay? So this is the sales page. As you can see, it says Income Automator. Looking for an automatic profits on daily basis, newbie makes $128.24 per day by following this simple money-making machine. Simply copy and paste to generate automatic profits within 24 hours from now. And this is literally all you need, 24 hours. Essentially, you get traffic, you send it to a squeeze page, you build a list, and then you send it to an affiliate offer and you make money. So you're making money immediately with it, and also you're building an online asset which will continue to make you money and continue to generate free traffic for you, okay? So simple copy and paste method, newbie friendly, 30 minutes to set up. Autopilot profits once you set it up, very important. So all you have to do is just set this up once, and it will continue making you money, $100 a day plus. Easiest online making money online based on real strategies, $100 a day every day, and no need to pay thousands of dollars. You have it all here. So let's just scroll down. Obviously, Das has a ton of proof. He's been making money online for quite some time now, and he actually started making money online a long time ago, way before he became my coaching student. But I essentially taught him how to put a course together and how he can teach other people on what he is doing. So this is Das. He teamed up with Shahar, my other coaching students. So you know that these guys are the real deal. They are in my coaching group, so they are way well on their way to become full-time online marketers and turning this into a full-time income. Let's just scroll down here. Income Automator, that's the name of the course. Let's just scroll down. Obviously, you're gonna have a ton of free bonuses, also a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you're not risking anything. I left them a testimonial because I really think that this absolutely works, and this is a great way if you want to automate your profits. And that's essentially, this is what you'll see on the sales page, and the inside of the members area looks like this. So you have essentially 2 phases, and then they also added some bonuses. So you will be building an email list. So they show you exactly how to set up Aweber. And the email, the traffic to build your email list comes from Facebook ads, but these guys will show you how to pay pennies to build your list. So this is actually super exciting. And if you think this is complicated, or you'll be overwhelmed with this, you won't. This is super simple the way they show you how to do it. They will walk you through the whole process. And again, remember, when you build a list, this is an online asset. So maybe the first time you're gonna have to pay a few pennies for the Facebook ads, but once someone is on your list, you can just email them over and over again for free. So you essentially own the traffic. You can send it anywhere you want, to an affiliate offer, to your own offer, to your store, to your blog, wherever you want. So these guys will show you how to do it the easy way, okay? So again, Facebook ads, how to set it all up, how to create your lead magnet, how to setup, you'll click magic links, so you know exactly where the clicks are coming from and everything else, how to create your follow-up sequence. So this is the automation part, and then phase 2, selecting an offer, building a lead capture, building buying traffic part 2, and creating your tracking link. So essentially you are building it here and then just sending everyone to an affiliate offer, and this is where you make money. And with the bonuses, you know, they add some extra case studies, a ton of valuable resources. So again, if you think that this is overwhelming, it's not at all. It's very, very simple. And again, remember, you just have to set this up once. They will show you exactly how to do it. Once this is set up, it will continue making you money on complete autopilot. So you're gonna spend a few cents on the Facebook ads, you're gonna build your list, you're gonna add an automated follow-up, so you don't even have to go back to it, you don't have to remember about anything. It will continue making you money. So all you need to do is maybe 2 or 3 hours to set this up, and it will make you $100 per day on autopilot. So I really, really like this course. And you know, again, this is very, very newbie friendly. There's, you know, there are a few steps, but once it's done, you can just forget about it, set and forget, and it will continue make you money. Okay, so this is the inside of the members area. These guys will have a few one-time offers as well. So as you can see, the main course will be $10 with an early bird discount, and the end price is $13. OTO number 1, this is done for you pack with 5 custom built landing pages plus offers. OTO number 2, $47. 60 days done for you marketing material, so email follow-ups. So even, you know, you can set everything up for 60 days, make $100 a day every single day, and just, you know, set and forget about it. OTO number 3, $97, and this is a reseller's license. So this is something that you can pick up if you want to promote this as your own offer and keep 100% of the profits on the whole funnel. So OTOs, as always, are optional. You'll be fine with the main course alone. So there's a ton of value, a ton of resources and everything else, and bonuses inside. But out of the 3, I would definitely recommend OTO number 2, which is 60 days of follow-up emails, which all you have to do is just copy and paste, forget about it, and it will continue making you money on complete autopilot. And obviously inside the main course, these guys will show you how to set this up yourself. So again, OTOs are optional, and right now let me just show you my bonuses, because I'm adding some cool bonuses to it if you'll decide to pick it up from my link. I'm actually giving away 2 of my award-winning courses, each and every both of these are selling for $13 right now. So if you would like to buy it outside of my bonus, you would have to pay for it. Memo-matic is the first WS of the day, $13 right now. Postly, the second WS of the day as well, $13. And I'm also adding some extra courses all about automated profits. So autopilot profit formula, automated profits, auto response profits, and make money daily on autopilot. So you're getting all 6 of these bonuses for free from me, just as a thank you for picking up Income Automator today through my link. Actually not today, because I'm shooting this one day before it goes live. So it will go live on the 7th of November at 9 a.m. Eastern. Again, if you'll pick it up from my link, you'll get all of the bonuses. So just to sum it up, what I like about this course, first of all, it's newbie friendly. Second of all, you can make $100 plus per day on complete autopilot. Thirdly, it doesn't take much time. Once this is set up, you know, maybe you're gonna have to log in for 5 minutes a day just to see how much money you made and if it's converting well, etc. So this is something I really, really like about this course. What I don't like, you know, they are showing you how to make $100. You know, advanced marketers would like to make some more money, but you know, once you're gonna figure out how to make $100, you can easily make $200, $300, $400 per day. So, you know, that would be the only thing. If you are an advanced marketer and you are already making $300 a day, maybe an extra $100 a day, you know, doesn't make a whole much of a difference. But if you are only starting out, then $100 a day, you know, it sums up to $3,000 a month. So definitely something that that you'll enjoy. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching this review. Please subscribe to this channel of mine. And I now recently decided to start running 2 separate YouTube channels. So one will be for free training videos, and the other one, right, this one, will be for review videos. So please subscribe to this one and subscribe to the other one if you're not subscribed yet. All of the links will be in the description of this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Also, please like this video if you would like to see more of these review videos and also free training videos on my other channel. And again, if you have any questions, please let me know. I will talk to you soon, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao!